Hey friends, I wanted to do this video today on another little Jayco issue I'm having, but I'm no longer gonna complain because I don't need negativity in my life. You know what I mean? And y'all don't need it either. So I'm gonna smile and I'm gonna just show what's going on with our van now. So we have a 2025 Entegra Arc, and we've had all kinds of little issues with the interior. The Ram ProMaster is amazing. We love it. Have no issues with that. But Jayco is the maker of the Entegra Arc, and their quality is not good. So, but I'm not complaining. And but I just want to show you this how silly this is, because so Carrie and I have been sleeping, and she sleeps on the side where there's no problem, and I'm going to show you this. But so she's had no problem. She's like, oh, the bed's so comfortable, and I was like, yeah, not really. My hips really sore, and I'm not really a fan, and I don't like it, you know. And I'm like, I'm not complaining, but so anyway, I made her sleep on my side one night, and sure enough, she woke up with a sore hip. So we had to investigate, and we looked in the we took the cushions off and looked at the slats, and it's obvious they put it together wrong. So another strike for Jayco, because this is clearly not right. And just in their defense, I decided I'd put it into Chat GPT to see if it noticed a problem, and I was very I didn't want it to have any biases or anything, so, but it probably has all my warranty issues, so never mind. Scratch that. But anyway, I put in a picture of the bed, and I said, do you know what this is? And it knew exactly what it was. And then I asked, is there a problem with this? Do you see anything wrong? And it said, yes, clearly all the slates are they're not aligned properly. And it gave me a whole list of things that could have potentially been wrong, but that was the first one. So anyway, I'm gonna show you this, and then I'm gonna redo it, hopefully the correct way. Hopefully it's not that hard. It looks like they're just like machine screws. And then tonight I'm gonna get a good night's sleep. You see the bags under my eyes? No, but anyway, so check it out, and I'm going to show you what's going on here, and then I'm going to rebuild it. So y'all like and subscribe to follow along with our channel, and all the fun stuff we do, and all the complaining I do, but I'm doing it with a smile on my face. So, and hopefully this helps you guys. Comment below if you've had this problem, or if you have other problems with Jayco interiors. I mean, we have friends that have these, and they've got all kinds of problems. So, but we love ours. Don't get me wrong, we love it, and I'm just doing this video to hopefully bring awareness to the world of the van lifers that have these kind of beds, because if your hips are hurting, that could be the reason. So check it out. First things first. You might have noticed by my hair and bags under my eyes, I just woke up, so, but this is priority. I need to fix it. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that's gonna go. Oh no. Do they not line up? That's probably why. What the hell's going on? Did they hand cut these or something? Okay, this one is shorter because they're on this side. Okay. All right, that makes sense. So this one has got to move over. All right, sorry. But I don't work for Jayco. I just mow lawns and play the drums and that stuff. So I'm not qualified. I shouldn't even be doing this stuff. But I am. That it? Oh my god, that was way too easy. Watch it won't slide or something. Are you kidding me? That's, these people. I'm gonna bring that over because hopefully that will close. I'm assuming it will. And I want to have the most amount of support for my fat butt. All right, let's try that. Self-tapping. Boom. Are you kidding me? It's just dumb. So, I'm just gonna stop there. Like and subscribe. Love y'all. All right. Back to normal. Now we got a good bed. No more hip problems. We'll see you soon. Tonight we're making grilled cheese hot dogs.